These are my results from yesterday in the stock market. Here's exactly how I did it. So price created a 1 hour supply here. If you don't know yet, that means a strong selling area. So we're wanting price to come back here and seeing a reaction. So we're going to zoom into the 5-minute chart so we can see exactly what I was seeing at the time that I took this trade in real time. Again, we're just in bar replay mode, so we are replaying what already happened. So right here, what we did was we saw that price gave us a lot of strength. Now, again, normally you don't want to go against strength, but this was right at market open, right? 9:30. So a lot of times the first move is not always the fake out, but the first move does not always imply what the market actually wants to do. So what happened was at 9:35, boom, gave us a very big sell-off candle. Again, this is all happening right at the 1 hour supply, and it basically wiped out this upward move. So as soon as I saw this, I actually went short, and I usually don't trade this early, but I went short right here. I had a tight stop loss, as you can see. Normally you put the stop loss above here, but because market was just open, I had a tighter stop loss, and then we caught this move down to right here. So as soon as it hit here, I took out 80%, moved my stop loss to break even, and that was it. We were done for the day. It was that simple. And then as the rest of the day progressed, you can see that it kind of just went choppy. It didn't give me like the longer move that I was looking for. So somewhere around 2 p.m., I just ended up leaving that 20% around my 1-to-1 position. So basically, we ended up with about 1.16 to 1 for the day. That's really it. It's honestly this simple. We just wait for reactions and we enter trades. Again, this is not guessing. This is a skill that takes a lot of time and practice and discipline in order to figure this out. That's why a lot of people think like, oh, there's no way you can do it, but they're not putting in 2 hours a day for 6 months straight to master, to figure this out. So if somebody tells you that this is just guessing, they didn't put in the work. So don't believe people who say things like that. Let me know if you have any questions and let's get this money out. Let's go.
Gabe Trades.